Hey everybody, Dan here from Greasy Boy Customs, and we have a special little treat. I received a new driver kit for bearing seals and bushings from ORION Motor Tech to try out, and I'm going to show you the kit and then we're going to take it for a spin. And look at this. Nice heavy duty case. It has latches on it, comes with a quick disconnect, all of these different size options and metric increments, a nice beefy steel handle, your Allen wrench for tightening the screw that holds it onto the adapter. This is a really nice kit. Now, any of you that have been doing mechanic work for a while may have a kit similar to this one here. This kit was made out of aluminum. You can see how the end has gotten all mushroomed out and beat up over its 20 plus years of service, and only a couple selections as far as sizes. It's important to have the right size when you're putting in bearing seals and races. Installing bearing seals and races, you really need to make sure that you have the correct size. If you don't, you could damage the seal. You could damage the housing you're trying to drive it into. Bad things can happen and cost you money. So today, we're going to go ahead and use this to install an axle seal in the back of this 57 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner and show you just how nice it is. Now we have our seal and we have the proper driver. That is an exact perfect fit, and you can see when we put the driver inside the housing, it fits nice and snug, so there's not much room for error. This is going to work perfectly, so we're going to go ahead and just lightly place our seal in place, get our driver ready, and drive it home. Look at that. Beautiful, no damage to the seal, nice and flush, fitting the way it should, and drove in right the first time. So we're going to grab a rotor and we're going to go ahead and get a new race and drive it in there and see how she does. This one fits perfectly, and again, you can test it by dropping it down in the cavity and see that it goes completely flush and that you'll be able to drive this in all the way. So let's go ahead and do that. Look at that, nice and flush all the way around. First try. No damage to the outside, no damage to the race. Everything's looking perfect. It looks good. The case is nice. The price point's also pretty damn good too, at only $58.99 on Amazon. I'll be providing a link below in the description so you can go right to that and look at it yourself. We're also going to have links below for ORION so you can check out their other products and as well as their social media channels. This is a great purchase to add to your inventory in your shop, especially working on these old beauties like this one behind me. You're going to find lots of uses for these. And those of you that are already mechanics full-time and maybe you need something like this in the shop, I suggest you get it. Or you can go on the tool truck and you can pay 10 times the price you're going to pay and get the same thing. So why not get a good quality product at a more affordable price and save yourself the trouble of trying to explain to your other half why your tool truck bill's $500. Till next time. Happy hot rodding.